In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more data fields in Pipedrive. We're going to walk through how to create custom fields so you can capture exactly the information your team needs instead of being limited to the default options. This is especially useful if you want to track things like lead sources, contract details, custom identifiers, or any other data that's specific to your process. Start by opening your Pipedrive account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in the settings area, look for the section labeled Data Fields. This is where Pipedrive lets you control the information that appears on your leads, deals, people, organizations, and products. Next, you'll choose which type of record you want to customize. Pipedrive calls these entities. You'll see options like lead, deal, person, organization, and product. Take a moment to think about where this information needs to live. For example, if you want to track something about the company itself, choose organization. If it's about an individual contact, choose person. If it's something related to a potential sale, like contract value details or a custom tag, then select deal. Once you've decided, click the relevant entity. After selecting the entity, look for the option that says Add Custom Field and click it. This is where you actually define what kind of data you want to capture. Pipedrive will prompt you to choose a field type first. You might see options such as text, number, date, single option select, multiple option select, and others, depending on your plan and setup. Pick the type that best matches the kind of information you'll be entering. For example, use a date field for renewal dates, a number field for quantities, or a single option field for predefined categories. Once you've chosen the field type, enter a clear, descriptive field name. Try to make it obvious to anyone on your team what belongs there. Instead of something vague, use names that spell out the purpose, like onboarding start date or primary product interest. When everything looks good, click Save. Pipedrive will then add this custom field to the entity you selected, and it will appear on those records from now on. You can repeat this process for as many custom fields as you need, refining your data structure so it truly supports your workflow and reporting.